Building a PC for under $500 in mid-2026 is more challenging than ever, largely due to sharp increases in the prices of memory and storage. The ongoing AI-driven memory shortage has pushed the cost of DDR5 RAM and SSDs to unprecedented levels, making it difficult to stay within a tight budget. To keep costs down, the recommended strategy is to skip a dedicated graphics card and instead use a processor with integrated graphics. This approach allows you to focus your budget on the 6 essential components: the CPU with integrated graphics, a compatible motherboard, RAM, storage, a power supply, and a case. With careful selection and a focus on these core parts, it's still possible to assemble a capable PC for everyday tasks and light gaming. This step-by-step assembly guide is tailored for beginners, ensuring a smooth and approachable building experience. Start by confirming that your CPU, motherboard, and RAM are fully compatible, paying close attention to socket type and memory generation. With just a Phillips No. 2 screwdriver and a well-lit workspace, you'll follow clear instructions to install each component, from the processor to the power supply. Practical troubleshooting tips help you resolve common issues, like reseating RAM or checking cable connections. To stay within budget, consider buying used memory, opting for a smaller SSD, or installing a free operating system such as Linux Mint instead of purchasing a Windows license.